You can silence Sonata sounds at any time by pressing the Silence Control button. To reactivate the sounds, press the Silence Control button again. This lets you know your pump is powering on. You've successfully pressed a button. When you hear this sound, you've reached the highest or lowest level on your vacuum. Your timer is letting you know 1 minute remains or that your session has ended. When a resolvable issue, like an air leak, has occurred, you'll hear this sound repeated every 30 seconds until it's been resolved. An error, one that requires Medela's help, has occurred.